Stray bugs make their way into homes searching for food. Check out a few tips to keep your kitchen free of pests. 1. Seal cracks and gaps. Make sure bugs can't sneak inside. Seal any cracks or gaps, especially near doors, windows, utility lines, and pipe entry points. 2. Clean crumbs and spills. You don't want to feed bugs or they'll keep coming back. Clean up crumbs and spills, keep your sink free of dirty dishes, and pick up your pet's food when they aren't eating. 3. Eliminate moisture. Check for and repair leaky pipes and faucets. Ensure your drains aren't clogged. Change your pet's water bowl regularly. 4. Clean cabinets. Periodically empty and wipe down the shelves of your cabinets. Take the time to check for damaged packages that could be a sign of pantry pests. 5. Store food in containers. Transfer ingredients like cereal, rice, and flour to tightly sealed jars. This will prevent pests from getting into them. 6. Add bay leaves. Bay leaves have a scent that can help repel some pests. Place them in your cabinet to help keep cockroaches, ants, and weevils away. 7. Use green pest control. Our home bug spray will kill common kitchen pests on contact and provide residual repellency. You can apply our spider and insect dust into the cracks and crevices of cabinets for long-lasting protection. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.